Today we will start chapter 8, that is logarithms. For class 9th for ICSE from Selina Concise. This chapter is so easy. Actually, this is based on exponential. Exponential means power notation. When there is a very large calculations, long calculation, can be solved by using logarithm. That is, short form is log. First of all, if there is a raised to power b is equal to c, then log of c base this one at here is equal to b. For example, 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Then log of 8 base 2, this one as taken as base, is equal to the power is at here equal to 3. Is it okay, bache? Do you understand?
Okay.
Here are some properties. First of all, as like, for example, 2 raised to power minus 3 is 0.125. Then log of 0.125 becomes equal to base 2 is equal to minus 3. This one. Means, now second, if x raised to power 0 is 1, then log 1 base x is equal to 0. And the base x is equal to 0. That means log 1 is always 0. Log 1 is always 0. Log 10 is 1. Log 100, the value of log 100 is 2. Log 1000, 3 zeros, then the value is 3. Log 10,000 is 4. You have to learn this one. The number of zeros, that is the answer. 1. Number of zeros are 2, 100, then answer is 2. Number of zeros are 3, then answer is 3. Number of zeros are 4, then answer is 4. One more thing, log 5, 1 is 0, log 8, base 8, 1 is 0. For any base, the value of log 1 is always 0. Now, if base log x and base is also x, then answer is always 1. Third thing is, if the value of log and the base is same, then answer is 1. For example, log of 7, base 7 is 1. Log 10, 10 is 1. Log base 100, 100 is here, then answer is here. Log base 10, common base is 10. If there is no base is given, then we have always taken base as 10. But if base is 100 and the value of log 100, then it is 1. Understood, bache? This and this. Why the here answer is 2 and why here answer is 1. Is it okay?
Okay.
Now we will start the exercise. Exercise 80. First exercise is based on these simple things. First question, MCQ. A part. The value of log root 2 8 is what? Let log 8 base root 2 is to be taken as x. Now, root 2 raised to power x is equal to 8. Is it okay, bache? Yes or no?
Okay.
And 8 can be written as, or we can say 2. What is the root in power notation? What is root in power notation? Power is half. Square root is becomes equal to power half. If there is cube root, then power is 1 by 3. If there is fourth root, then power is 1 by 4. So same here, root 2 can be x into 1 by 2 is equal to 8, and 2 raised to power x by 2. And what we can write 8 as base 2? 2 raised to power? Yes, tell me. Evelyn?
3.
Yes. Now, in both the sides, base is same, 2, 2. Comparing both the sides. Comparing both sides. What we get? Base is same, equal sign is here, then power are also equal. X upon 2 is equal to 3, and x becomes equal to 6. That is our answer. First option is the answer. Now, first question, B part. Log 4 x is equal to 2.5. Yes, tell me what I can write down here. I have to remove log. Then what I have to write down here? 4 raised to power. Yes, Evelyn? 4 raised to power. What I have to write down?
2.5
Very good. Is equal to?
x.
Yes. Now, remove the decimal. We get 25 by 10. One place of decimal is there, therefore 10 is there downwards. Cut here 5 by 2 on the table of 5. 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2, and 5 by 2 is already there. Is equal to x. 2 is cancelled. 2 raised to power 5 is x. And what is 2 raised to power 5? 2 to the 4, to the 8, to the 16, to the 32 is the answer. The value of x becomes 32. Which option? Second option is the answer. Now C part, log x base root 3 is 4. Yes, Evelyn, what I have to write down? When I have to remove log, then what I have to write down here? Tell me.
Square root 3 to the power 4 is equivalent to x.
Very good. And what is the root 3 power 4 is equal to? When
1 by
we
2 into
multiply,
4.
yes, 3 raised to power 1 by 2 into 4, that is x. 3 raised to power 2. What is the answer? 3 square is?
9.
That's the answer. 9, third option is the answer. Same way, D part, log x base to x of 64. Log 64 to the base x is equal to 1.5. In the same manner, x raised to power 1.5 becomes equal to 64. X raised to power 1.5 can be written as 15 by 10, 64. This is cut on the table of 3 by 2 is there. X raised to power 3 by 2 is 64. Now what I can do? Tell me. How we can find x?
Should you put
3 by
8
2
to the
power?
power 2?
No.
8
3 by
square.
2 power. Sorry. 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3 on that side. Okay? Understood?
Okay.
3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3 on that side. And 64 can be written as 4 cube. 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64. 2 by 3, 3 cut. X we get 4 square, and the value of x is 16. 16 which option? Fourth option is the answer. Now we'll reach on E part. First question, E part. First question, E part is log x square minus 4 base 2. Log x square minus 4 base 2 is equal to 5. We have to find the value of x. Yes, tell me. What I have to write down? Lovely.
4 to the power, no, 2 to the power 5
Is equal to?
x square minus 4.
Yes. Now 2 raised to power 5 is 32. When we multiply 2 5 times, we get 32. 4 become plus on left side is equal to x square. 32 plus 4, 36 is x square. And square becomes square root on the another side, and plus minus sign is must be write down. Evelyn, when square becomes square root on another side, then there must be plus and minus sign is compulsory to write down. And what is the square root of 36?
6.
That is the answer, plus minus 6. Which option? First option is the answer. Now you reach on F part. First question, F part. Log base 10, log of x base 10 is a. We have to find the value of 10 raised to power a minus 1 in terms of x. In terms of x, we have to find. We have to find the value of this in terms of x. Here, what we get 10 raised to power a is equal to
X.
X. Now, we have to find 10 a raised to power a minus 1. This can be written as 10 raised to power a into 10 raised to power minus 1. Yes or no? Power and exponent in each class, if bases are same, then powers are added. This one can also be written as separated. Powers is to be separated 10 raised to power a into 10 raised to power minus 1. When we solve this, we get this one. So therefore, we can write this as also as like this. Now, what is the value of 10e? That is x. And when we remove negative power, what we get? What I have to write down 10 raised to power minus 1. Evelyn. That is 1 upon 10. When we have to remove negative sign, then base is reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 10? 1 upon 10. Power 1, so we get the same answer. So what we get? X by 10 is the answer. Second option is the answer. Do you understand how x by 10 is coming? Yeah, 1 by 10 is coming.
Okay.
Evelyn. Now we'll reach on second sum. Express each of the following in logarithm form. X cube is equal to 125 is given. We have to write down it in logarithm form. Yes, in logarithm form, what I have to write down? Log of 125 base is what I have to write down as base?
5.
Yes, is equal to 3.
3.
This is our first answer. Second, 3 raised to power minus 2 is 1 by 9. Then log of 1 upon 9 base is 3 is equal to minus 2. Now third part you have to explain. 10 raised to power minus 3 is equal to 0.001. What I have to write down? Tell me.
Log 0.001.
Base
The base is 10
is equal to
minus 3.
very good. That is the answer. Fourth one, 81 raised to power 3 by 4 is 27. Log of 27 base 81 is equal to 3 by 4. Is it okay? Do you understand the second sum?
Okay.
Now, Evelyn will reach on question number 3. Express each of the following in exponential form. Log of 8, 0.125 is minus 1. And we have to remove log. Then what I have to write down? 8 raised to power. Just tell me.
Minus 1.
Is equal to.
0.125.
That is the answer. First part answer. Second, all parts are same. 0.01 is minus 2. The 10 raised to power minus 2 becomes equal to this one. That is answer. Now, same as like third part. Yes, Evelyn, you have to explain this one. Log base A is x. What I have to write down? Small a raised to power x
is equal to A.
Capital A. The fourth part, log 10 of 1 is 0. What I have to write down? Tell me.
10 to the power 0 is equal to 1.
That is the answer. Now we'll reach on fourth sum. Solve for x. Log 10x minus 2. Log of x base to 10 is minus 2. We have to find x. Yes, tell me. What I have to write down here? 10 raised to power. Yes, tell me.
Minus 2.
Is equal to.
X.
Yes. And now remove negative power. What I have to write down here?
1 by x, 1 by 10.
Whole raised to power 2 is here. Minus 2 becomes plus 2 is equal to x. 1 square is 1 and 10 square is?
100.
Very good. That is our answer. Fourth sum answer. Now, question number 5, first part. We have to find the logarithm of 100 to the base 10. This is given. 100 to the base 10. Matlab log of 100 to base 10 we have to find. In these type of sums, we have to taken as let this is equal to x. Now, 10 raised to power x is equal to 100. 10 raised to power x, 100 can be written as
10 square.
very good. Base are same. We have to write down one line here comparing both the sides. What we get? Bases are same. Then powers are also equal. X is equal to 2 is the answer. Or we can say log of 10, log of 100 base to 10 is 2. Is it okay? Second part, log of 0.1 base 10. Same way we can take it as x. 10 raised to power x becomes
0.1.
10 raised to power x can be written as 1 by 10. And 1 by 10 can be written as 10 raised to power minus 1. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Comparing both the sides, what we get? X is
minus 1.
X is Yes, that is our answer. Now we reach on third part. Can you try yourself, or I can do third part? Yes, Avni, tell me.
You can do.
Fourth, we have to find log of 32. Base 4 is here. Let it be x. Let this be equal to x. Now, what I have to write down?
4 to the power x is 32.
And for here, 32 is not in the power of 4. Therefore, we can change 4 as the base 2 and 32 also base 2. 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2. X is there. Then it becomes 2 raised to power 2x. And 32 can be written as 2 raised to power 5. Comparing both the sides, what we get? 2x is 5 and x becomes 5 by 2. That is answer. Is it okay?
Okay.
Fifth part, we have to find log of 2 base 0.125. Sorry. I have written the wrong statement. Log of 0.125 we have to find to the base 2. Same way, let this be taken as x. 2 raised to power x is equal to 0.125. 2 raised to power x decimal. We will remove the decimal. Then what I have to write down? 125 upon. Yes, tell me.
10.
How many decimal places are there after decimal?
Sorry, 1000.
1000. In the table of 125, it becomes 8. 125 is a 1000. 2 raised to power x can be written as 1 upon 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power x, 2 raised to power 3. When we move in the numerator place, then it becomes minus 3. Comparing both the sides. What we get? X is minus 3. That is our answer. Now we'll reach on sixth part. We have to find the log of 1 by 16 to the base 4. In the same manner, we have to write down, let it as x. 4 raised to power x is 1 by 16. Now 16 can be written as 4 squared. Then 4 becomes base same. 4 raised to power 2. In the next step, 1 upon 4 raised to power 2 can be written as 4 raised to power.
-2.
Very good. Comparing both the sides, what we get? X is, what is the value of x here?
-2.
Very good. The answer. Easy chapter is this one now.
Okay.
Now, seventh part, we have to find log of 27 to the base 9. We have to find log of 27 base to the 9. Same manner, we have to take it as x. Then, now you will tell me what I have to write down here.
9 to the power x is equal to 27.
Now, how we can find x? Tell me.
3 to the power 2 there.
Is equal
And
to
3 to the power 3.
in the same manner, comparing both the sides, what we get?
X is equivalent to 2 by 3.
2x is equal to 3. This is 2x and this is 3.
Okay.
Then we get 2x is equal to 3 and x is 3 by 2. Okay? Not make a shortcut. One step is here. You have to write down this step and then this one. Last part you can try it yourself. Now we'll reach on question number 6. If true false is this one. If log of x raised to 10 is a, then 10 raised to power x is a. Is it true?
No.
What we get from here?
A is to the power 10, which is equal to x.
No.
Oh, 10 to
10
the
raised to
power.
if here this one, then it is true, but it is now false. Second part. X raised to power y is z, then y is equal to log base z x. Is it true? No. What we get from here? Log z base x is equal to y. If this result is here, then it is true, but it is false. Is it okay? Now, third part, log of 8 base 2 is 3, and log 8 2 is 1 by 3, and बोला. What is 2 raised to power 3? Here we get 8. Is it true? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. From here, what we get? 8 raised to power 1 by 3 is equal to 2. 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 into 1 by 2. That is 1 by 3, sorry. 2 becomes equal to 2. Yes. Here, 2 cube is 8 is equal to 8 and 2 is equal to 2. Thus, this part is true. Now we will reach on 7th sum. Find x. First part, log of x, 3 is 0. We have to find x. What do we get? But I can write it down here.
3 to the power 0 is equivalent to x.
And what is the value of 3 raised to power 0?
1.
Yes. If there is power 0, then the answer is 1. X raised to power 0, answer is 1. 100 raised to power 0, answer is 1. Aveline's power 0, answer is 1. That means any number is there, and but the power is 0, then we always get answer as 1. Second, log 2 base x is minus 1. Now, what I have to write down here?
X to the power minus 1 is equal to 2.
And how we can find x from here? X raised to the power minus 1 can be written as
1 by
1
x.
upon x is 2. Now reciprocate both the sides. What we get? X is equal to 1 by 2. Then we reciprocate both the sides. 1 upon x become x and 2 upon 1 become 1 by 2. That is our answer. In the same manner, 7th sum, third part, 7th question, third part. Log of 243 base 9 is x. Yes, what I have to write down here?
Is it log 9 is equivalent? Log 9 to the power x.
Log is removing when we have to write down as 9 raised to power x is 243. 9, 81, 81 9s are no, this is not possible. Then same manner, this can be written as 3 raised to power 2x and 243 make the factors 3, 81, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. 5 times 3, 3 raised to power 5. Comparing both the sides, what we get?
2x is equal to 5.
And x is equal to?
5 by 2.
That is the answer. Now question number 7, fourth part. Log of x minus 7 base 5 is 1. What I have to write down here?
5 to the power 1 is equivalent to x minus 5.
X minus 7. And x becomes 5 plus 7. That is 12. 12 is the answer. Fifth part. Log of 32 base 4 is equal to x minus 4. Now 4 raised to power. Yes, what I have to write down power?
X minus 4.
Is equal to
32.
Yes. 32 is not the power of 4. Therefore, we have to change them in lowest terms. That is, 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2. X minus 4 become multiply on this side. And 232 is 2 raised to power 5. Comparing both the sides. Base are same. Then 2 into x minus 4 becomes equal to 5. And from here, x minus 4, 2 is multiplied, become downwards on that side, 5 by 2. And x becomes 5 by 2, minus 4 become plus 4 on that side. Now, what is the LCM here?
2.
And what I have to write down here?
5 plus 8.
Very good. We get 13 upon 2. That is your answer. Last part of question number 7. Log of 2x square minus 1 base 7 is 2. We have to write down 7 to power 2 is equal to 2x squared minus 1. 7 square is 49. 1 become plus is equal to 2x square. 50 upon 2 is equal to x square. From here, we get x square is 25. 2 and 50 is cut 25. And x becomes equal to, just tell me. Square root of 25. And
The square to that
you
side.
don't, square becomes square root on that side.
Oh.
And plus sign, plus minus sign is must. You have to write down. Plus minus 5 is the answer in this part. Okay. Now question number 8. Same. So easy. First part. We have to find log 0.01 base 10. We have to find the value of this. So same manner, we have to take it as x. 10 raised to power x becomes 0.01. 10 raised to power x is 1 upon 100. 10 raised to power x, 1 upon 100 can be written as 1 upon 10 raised to power 2. And 10 raised to power x is 10 raised to power minus 2. Comparing both the sides, what we get? X is minus 2 is the answer. Okay. Question number 8, second part. Log 2 1 divided by 8. Let it be x. Yes, what I have to write down here, Evelyn?
2 to the power x is equal to 1 divided by 8.
Yes, divided means 1 upon 8. Divide or upon, that is the same thing. 2 raised to power x. 8 can be written as
2
it
to
can
the
be
power
written
3.
as, in the next step, 2 raised to power x is equal to
2 minus 3.
Comparing both the sides, we get x is minus 3. That is our answer. Now we'll reach on question number 8, third part. We have to find log of 1 base 5. Same manner, let this be x. 5 raised to power x is 1. Now what I can do? How we can find x? Just tell me, Evelyn.
Can I
1. We can write 1 as 5 raised to power 0, yes or no?
okay.
Any number's power 0 is, we get always 1. Here, in left-hand side, base is 5. That's why I have to write down 5 as here. Comparing both the sides, what we get? X is equal to 0. That is our answer. Fourth part, log 125 base 5. That it be x. Then 5 raised to power x is 125. It is so easy. 5 raised to power x, 125 can be written as 5 cube. Comparing both the sides, what we get? X is 3. That is an answer. Next sum, question number 8, fifth part. What is given? That is log of 8 base 16. Is to taken as x. 16 raised to power x is to be written is equal to 8. Now what I can do, Evelyn? Tell me.
Can you write 2 to the power 8? Sorry, 2 to the power 3 on that side.
In this side, 2 raised to power 3. In this side, 2 raised to power
4.
yes. So x is already there, then it becomes 4x. Comparing both the sides, 4x become equal to 3 and x becomes 3 upon 4. That is the answer. Now next sum, sixth part. Question number 8, sixth part. Log of 16, 0.5. This is taken as x. 0.5 raised to power x becomes equal to 16. Now, Evelyn, what I can do? Point 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10. Whole raised to power x is 16. This is cut. 1 upon 2 raised to power x is 16, can be written as 2 raised to power 4. Now, what I have to write down this 1 upon 2 raised to power x. You can write down 2 raised to power 4 as negative power. It is better. Minus 4. Is it okay, bache?
Okay.
Comparing both the sides, what we get? X is equal to minus 4. That is the answer. Now, ninth sum. We reach on question number 9. Log of m base a is n. Express a raised to power n minus 1 in terms of a and m. As same as like MCQ question. This one. We can write it as, what I have to write down this one? Evelyn?
8 to the power n is equivalent to m.
Yes. Now, the thing which we have to find, a raised to power n minus 1, can be written as a raised to power n into a raised to power minus 1. A raised to power n and negative power removed, then we get 1 upon a. What is the value of a raised to power n? That is m. M into 1 upon a, we get m upon a. That is our answer. Let's see. Our ninth sum is completed. Now we'll reach on question number 10. Given log x base 2 is given n and log y base 5 is n. First part that we have to find, express 2 raised to power m minus 3 in terms of x. And second part, 5 raised to power 3n plus 2 in terms of y. So first of all, we have taken this one. Log x base 2 is m. Then what is the value of 2 raised to power m? What do we get here?
X.
X. We have to find this one. 2 raised to power m minus 3 can be written as, just tell me, what I have to write down this one? 2 raised to power m into 2 raised to power minus 3. Is it okay?
Okay.
2 raised to power m as like 2 raised to power minus 3. We can be written as 1 upon 2 cube. This becomes 2 raised to power m upon 8. And what is the value of 2 raised to power m? That is x. In place of 2 raised to power m, we have to write down x. The answer we get is x upon 8. Now, second part, this one, we have to write taken this log y raised to 5 is n. What we get here? 5 raised to power n is y. Now what we have to find? 5 raised to power 3n plus 2. This can be written as 5 raised to power n whole raised to power 3. Yes or no? Can I write down as this one? Into 5 raised to power 2. Yes or no?
Y
When
into
there is,
5.
what is the value of this? Oh, sorry, एक minute. How we can solve this? For example, मैंने एक example. This is a one example. Here, what we get? 5 raised to power 6 now? 2
Yeah.
into 3. If there is 5 raised to power 3n is there, then can I write it as 5 raised to power n whole raised to power 3? n into 3 is 3n now?
Yeah.
That's why I have to write down. First of all, you have to write down this as this one. Now, this one, 5 raised to power 3 n can be written as like this. Now, what is the value of this? 5 raised to power n is y whole cube as like into 5 square is 25. 25 into y cube, we get 25y cube. That is answer. Our exercise is finished. This is your homework. You have to complete this exercise only. Okay.
Okay.
Second exercise we will start tomorrow. 15 sums are there. Okay. It will take 3 days. Okay, bye, bache. We will meet tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Bye.